Welcome to the HomeServe Hints blog. Regular plumbing maintenance is a crucial step in home ownership. Try not to let small plumbing repairs turn into large-scale issues. Begin your DIY plumbing work in 4 areas: kitchen, bathroom, laundry room, and septic sewer. Waning water pressure? Test levels with a pressure gauge and replace the pressure regulator if necessary. You can find both of these tools at a hardware store, but keep in mind that gauges are less expensive than replacement regulators. Apply non-toxic cleaners to remove minor clogs in household drains. Pour 1 cup of baking soda down the drain, followed by 1 cup of vinegar. Finish by flushing the drain with 2 quarts of hot water. Be aware that tree roots can grow in the way of sewer mains and septic tanks, so be sure to inspect your septic tank and sewer system lines during warmer weather to help avoid having to excavate a frozen yard. Check back soon for more HomeServe hints.